Welcome to IRG Sports Injury Update. I'm with Shannon O'Kelly, physical therapist and president of IRG Physical and Hand Therapy, and our guest, Dr. Cameron Schick, orthopedic surgeon with Bellevue Bone and Joint.
Dr. Schick, welcome. You specialize in the treatment of upper extremity injuries, shoulder, elbow, and hand. Tell us about Mike Trout, famous baseball player with an ulnar collateral ligament injury. What's going on there?
Last year in May, Mike Trout was sliding into base head first, and he injured his thumb. And he ended up tearing his ulnar collateral ligament, which is one of the main ligaments in the thumb that stabilizes the thumb. Ended up having surgery and was back about 6 weeks after the injury.
What kind of surgery would he have had?
A ligament connects bone to bone across a joint, and what you do when it's fully torn is you repair it with a bone anchor that has sutures coming out of the anchor, and you repair the ligament back down to the bone.
And how often does this happen in athletes?
It's really common in skiers when they catch their pole in the snow, and it's really common in baseball players going headfirst into base.
Always need surgery or sometimes conservative care?
Conservative care can be done if it's a partial tear, which is seen on an MRI, but if it's fully torn and it's unstable, that's when surgery is needed.
They return to sports 4 to 6 weeks usually?
Typically, if it's surgery, in the past, it was about 10 to 12 weeks of rehab, but recently with new advancements in technology, there's a company called Arthrex that has something called the internal brace, has sped up the recovery, and like Mike Trout, it was only 6 weeks out.
Dr. Schick, is everyone a candidate for this internal bracing procedure that you're performing?
I think it depends on the patient. If it's a competitive athlete who needs to return to play as soon as possible, that's the ideal candidate for the internal brace.
Well, thank you for your time. If you want more information on hand, elbow, or shoulder injuries, you can contact Dr. Schick at BellevueBoneandJoint.net. That's BellevueBoneandJoint.net.
With over 40 neighborhood clinics around Washington, IRG has you covered. Let IRG be your family's physical therapist. Find the location nearest you at irgpt.com. That's irgpt.com.